I'll say the one of the most paid jobs in India. So if I'm an ethical hacker and if you are a software developer, then I might get 5 to 10 times more salary with the same experience. So
How
that is
someone convince their parents to pursuing their career in a cybersecurity field or a
so if you
hacking?
say I'm doing hacking, that sounds very crazy for the youngsters. So I am into penetration testing market and I am learning penetration testing. So even Indian government has various ethical hackers. Talk to your parents like what happens if your internet banking password is being lost. They need to do that job in order to protect our information, our privacy and all this. So if these information you feed into your parents' mind, that will certainly help.
Why the term hacker reflects very negatively in our society? Means if you say someone I am a hacker or I am learning hacking, I am pursuing my career in a hacking field, the perception in that person's mind is very
So
negative.
that concept is revolving mostly around Asian countries, mostly around India. Reason being, India is a country which is richly influenced by movies, books, TV shows, and all those stuff. And have you seen any movie which covers the good side of an ethical hacker? No movie. So there are very scarce. There are very few movies which cover ethical hackers and all those stuff. So most of the movies, most of the TV shows are based on hacking, so non-legal hacking and all those stuff. So that portrays a picture in mind of people. So that hacking is bad, hacking creates nonsense and all those stuff. But if you talk about real hacking and if you talk about ethical hacking, so that's the most I'll say the one of the most paid jobs in India. So if I'm an ethical hacker and if you are a software developer, then I might get 5 to 10 times more salary with the same experience. So that is the difference that exists. So ethical hackers are very few and they need not to be enlisted and they need not to be identified into the movies market and all those things. That's why a wrong portrait had been created.
How someone convince their parents to pursuing their career in a cybersecurity field or a hacking field in general term to know hacking? If someone asks what you are doing, so she can tell I am a practice my I am basically I am practice how to hack a bank detail on a virtual machine or a virtual environment. So those who don't know what is a virtual environment, they think he is trying to do something illegal, which was not good.
Right. So suppose if some software programmer says that I used to write 010101 over the machine, then that sounds very stupid. So uh, there is a very first thing that you need to learn is that you need to define what network security is and what hacking is. So if you say I'm doing hacking, that sounds very crazy for the youngsters, but that might not sound crazy term for the parents and for the old age people. So you need to carefully use that very term. So that's why we used penetration testers. So I am into penetration testing market and I am learning penetration testing. So I am testing various vulnerabilities over network and I am testing various security flaws. That sounds more genuine and more less crazy for parents. So because I know it's a very traditional way to identify that hacking is a very bad term and all those stuff. Because most of the people see it as a hacking means something malicious is happening over some network and all those stuff. But time is evolving. I know it's difficult to jump into ethical hacking with your parents and all those stuff. They need to can pull you out of it and all those stuff. But you need to help them understand what hacking is, what ethical hacking is, and how those jobs are being paid by different government organizations. So even Indian government has various ethical hackers. So you need to help them understand that those are the well paid jobs and well white collar jobs as such. So once you make sure this happens and you make them understand what ethical hacking is, I'm sure they'll not prevent you from getting an highest level post. So it's I'll give you an example. One of my friend, he was working with a network security team over Indian government. So he met with an network analyst, security analyst of CEA, just Corruption Bureau of India. Okay, CBI. So he met with a network engineer, and he told that these ranks are matched with an IS position. So he gets the privilege of an IS, what an IS person gets. So those are the very respected jobs, white collar jobs. So you just need to analyze, prepare a report, prepare a research report, and present it in front of your parents. That will make your job easier.
Basically, you are trying to say don't use the traditional terms instead of using the term which they don't know, which come in nowadays.
No, the terms which doesn't use the hacking term as such, because that mindset will evolve. I know, but it will take time. So every evolution takes time, and we just don't need to rush that evolution. We need to take that time. Wrong market, or if it's not a niche market as such, then it would be very malicious for you to say those words. But you know the benefits, and you eventually have to make them know about the benefits of ethical hacking, benefits of cyber security. So you need to feed them up. Okay, this happened, then this is happened, then this is done, and all those stuff. So, like, because for a non-technical guy even who doesn't know about cyber security, he need to know. So for instance, you can talk to your parents like what happens if your internet banking password is being lost, if your money is being lost from a bank, who protects those information, who is there to protect your information. So those information is being protected by some network engineers, some security engineers, some penetration testers. Sorry, your voice is not coming. I think you are muted as such.
No, continue.
So those jobs are being done by some penetration testers, some network engineers who secures your money, who secures your information. So those are the thankless job that they are doing, and they need to do that job in order to protect our information, our privacy, and all that. So if these information you feed into your parents' mind, that will certainly help.
Okay, great.